trouble. They told her they did it.
Huh?
They told her the lawn guy came and did it. Mowed their lawn. I mowed their lawn.
Right.
I guess the boys, because the boys were outside when I finished up their side yard, and I told them, I said, I don't want to disturb y'all. I said, but I accidentally started mowing your lawn, and I can't just leave it. I said, so I'm just going to finish up the side yard here. And they were like, oh, okay. And she said she called the lawn guy yesterday, and he was going to come Monday to do it. And she said that, she just got, when they got home, she called, and he already came and did it. She said, no, he didn't. I was just talking to him on the phone. He says, come on Monday. We'll call him back, because somebody did it. And the boys were like, I guess the one guy did it. And I was like, I'm sorry, I couldn't. They're like, you did that? You're hired. How much? Yes, ma'am.
So if we wanted to keep this, we got to pay $1,693 a month.